What if Bitcoin repeats the Nasdaq 2005 to 2020 fractal? I will show you where we are now on this fractal and why we will not see Bitcoin worth $15,000 anymore. Let's go! Before you get started, subscribe to my channel and support with a like. Watch my first video where I showed a market cycle fractal on a chart of the S&P 500 index. This fractal is already working. First, let's define the concept of a fractal. A fractal is a mathematical concept describing a structure that repeats itself on different scales and is similar to the original form. A fractal can also be used to predict future movements in financial markets. Let's take the Nasdaq chart from 2005 and apply it to the Bitcoin chart. As you may have noticed from the charts, the movement of the Nasdaq index from 2005 to 2020 has some similarities with the current movement of Bitcoin. If Bitcoin's current chart follows a similar pattern, then according to the fractal theory, we can make some assumptions about its future movement. Let's take a closer look at our chart. The first fractal is a bullish wedge, where the bottom was. Next, a correction in the form of a channel. Accumulation. And the rising channel. This is where we are at the moment, and if the fractal is to be believed, Bitcoin will not go below $30,000. Next week we will see a slight drop, a correction after a good upward movement, close in balance, where we should think about buying Bitcoin for the long term. And the most important question, if Bitcoin does repeat the Nasdaq fractal, what is the maximum value we will be able to see in 2025? 655% will be able to do Bitcoin if the fractal works out. Write in the comments, how much could Bitcoin be worth? All types of content you may see on my channel are not financial, investment, trading, or any other advice. This content is solely for learning, analyzing, and understanding the market. All trades on the channel are for history and working on mistakes.